Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I am so excited to be bringing you another mystery box challenge video. And today's theme is Craft My Stash. I got together with a bunch of other crafters here on YouTube and we all went through our stashes and collected up a bunch of things to mail to another person, and then we are gonna have to make some DIYs out of them. I have my box here. It was sent to me by my friend Nadia at DIY with Nadia. If you're not already following Nadia, I'll have her channel linked below. She makes amazing DIYs and the most beautiful wreaths every single Wednesday, so you don't want to miss out on that. And if you want to see who I sent my box to, then check my description box and make sure you watch all the videos in today's mystery box Craft My Stash challenge. Now it's time to open this box and see what Nadia sent. In our boxes, we were supposed to send 3 challenge items that we must use in our DIYs, along with a bunch of other random things. So I'm going to put the challenge items aside for now, and we'll open those last. It looks like they are the ones wrapped in green here. So I'll pull these out. And we'll put those to the side. Oh, this one says 1 and 2 on it. And did this one say? Oh yeah, this one says 3. So we'll have those over there and we'll go through the rest. Our first item is this hanging sign with a plant on top in a little pot. And then it says, "We were meant to be." This is so cute. I love the little plant. How fun! Next up, we have this little wooden sign that says laugh. Oh, that's really pretty. I love the font on there. Next up is this wire burlap ribbon with a white chevron pattern. I really love this. I don't think I've seen this ribbon before. This is really pretty. I love the burlap and I love the white. Oh, we have some florals. These are really pretty. Oh, we have some more ribbon. This is the lace ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is so pretty. I love this. Next up, we have these glass stickers. Oh wow, I've never seen this before. There's an anchor and then some ship wheels. Cute. Next thing are these wall stickers. What does this say? It says, "Wash your hands." And then it has all the droplets of water and then part of a faucet. Oh, I might have opened this box upside down because I just found the card. Got the black stripes with the little pink N for Nadia. "Hi Andrea, hope you are having a beautiful day. I'm super excited I got you for this collab and I can't wait to see what you make with the items wrapped in blue. XOXO DIY with Nadia." Oh, thanks, Nadia. Oh my goodness. She sent me a little chocolate. Very sweet. Thank you so much. Well, I got some great things so far. So now it's time to open up our challenge items. Here is my first challenge item. It's a hexagon and it kind of looks maybe like a box or a tin, but I don't hear anything inside of it, so I'm wondering what the 2 parts are. Let's open it up. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So it is a hexagon shaped box and it has beautiful bees on it and flowers. I love all the oranges. This is so pretty. Okay, let's see if there's anything inside. Okay, and that's why I couldn't hear it. She stuffed in some yarn. So we have this green yarn. I really love this. This is so pretty and I love working with yarn. So I think this is gonna be fun. Okay, now let's see what's in the 3rd package. Here it is. Do we have any guesses on what this could be? I have no idea. Oh wow, it's one of these Christmas berry garlands. This is so pretty. I feel like she went pretty easy on me. This is such good stuff. So my challenge items are this berry garland, the green yarn, and then this hexagon bee box. We have all the other amazing items that Nadia sent as well. So I think we have a lot to work with. And now I have to get crafting. This DIY is a nature-inspired cottagecore fall pumpkin, and we're going to be using one of these Dollar Tree foam pumpkins and this sage green yarn, which was my first challenge item. I'm hot gluing the yarn to the pumpkin, starting in the center on the top and going around in circles. This was pretty tedious to do, and at first I was being really careful, making sure to keep the strands of yarn close together so the orange doesn't show through. And I definitely got a little bit more lazy with it as it went on, so I will have to fix that. You could also paint the pumpkin first so you don't have to worry about that bright orange showing through. I'm taking more strands of yarn and hot gluing them in the gaps to cover that orange. I picked off as much of the hot glue remnants as I could, and now I'm adding this pretty lace ribbon onto the pumpkin. I'm gluing one end of the ribbon on the bottom of the pumpkin, then wrapping it around the pumpkin and gluing the other end on the bottom. I'm adding another piece of lace ribbon perpendicular to the other piece, then 2 more ribbon pieces in a crisscross fashion. I have this little pumpkin stem from another Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I'm painting it brown. I have these Dollar Tree florals that I cut, and I'm gluing them to the top of the pumpkin. I love these flowers. They definitely have that vintage cottagecore vibe. I glued the stem on top, and my pumpkin is complete. Today's video is part of the Shop My Stash Mystery Box Challenge. I'm participating with Chantel, Rebecca, Kim, and Nadia. Click the link in my description box to see who I sent my mystery box to, and continue following those links until you've watched all the videos. There is also another group participating in today's mystery box challenge involving Catherine, Connie, Leanie, and Lisa Marie. That means we have 9 videos for you today. Make sure to check them all out because I know they will be so much fun. Now let's get back to using the items I was sent in my mystery box. The next DIY is this pretty cottagecore hexagon pumpkin. I'm using this super cute gift box, which is my second challenge item, and I'll just be using the lid for this DIY. I'm starting by sanding the top of this gift box lid because there is a bit of glitter on the bees and the flowers. I'm using this acrylic paint by Decor in the color Spiced Pumpkin, and I'm covering the hexagon lid with it. This took several coats to cover the design, but I love how it turned out. This color is so pretty. I'm taking 4 of these letter tiles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be turning them into the stem for the pumpkin. I'm hot gluing them all together, making sure the letters are facing inward. Now I'm painting my stem brown and hot gluing this to the top of the hexagon lid. I'm taking these Dollar Tree flowers, and I'll just be using the greenery for this DIY, hot gluing them to the pumpkin behind the stem. I'm using this lace ribbon and making a bow to glue on the front to give the pumpkin more of a vintage cottagecore look. The next DIY is this nature-inspired fall wreath. I'm using this grapevine wreath from Dollar Tree. And my last challenge item is this berry garland. To make it more fall themed, I'm going to paint all the little white berries with this spiced pumpkin paint from Decor. While my berries dry, I'm going to add these fall florals, sticks, and pine cones to the wreath by sticking them through the wreath, then folding over the stems in the back. Now I'm taking this berry garland and wrapping it around the whole wreath. I'm also using this hanging plant pot sign, and I'll be using it to create a sign for my wreath. I took off one of the little plaques from the hanging sign, and I'm painting it orange, then lightly distressing it by dry brushing on some brown paint over top. I cut out the word welcome with my Cricut with black vinyl, and I'm sticking it onto my little orange sign. I'm using this burlap ribbon from the hanging plant sign and using it to attach the welcome sign to the wreath. And this is my finished nature-themed fall wreath. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this Craft My Stash mystery box challenge. I had so much fun making all of these DIYs with all the good stuff Nadia sent me. Click the link in my description box to check out all the other videos in today's Craft My Stash mystery box challenge. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future DIY videos. And I'll see you next time.